But I just need something to calm my nerves, preferably a cigarette or something just as absurd. Or maybe I want my anxiety to stay, 'cause in the end it's all I have to ease the pain of a distance that took you away. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Wes Guitar Lessons. This is how to play this. This is a great song. So this is how to play The Distance That Took You Away by SayWeCanFly. I'd never heard of them. I'd never heard the song, but this was a song that was requested, and I'm loving these requests right now. So if you have a request, please let me know in the comments. I'm working my way through them. I love these requests. So thank you so much for those. And please hit like and subscribe. It helps me out. So this song is in standard tuning and it doesn't have a capo. I love that. I feel like it's just easier to play guitar. It's just raw guitar. And this song is crazy easy to play. This is a great beginner song. You have the same strumming pattern throughout the whole song, and you only have 4 chords, and you're anchored in G the entire time. So your pinky and your ring finger, you're gonna keep on the same 2 strings and the same 2 frets the entire song, okay? So let's get into this. It's super easy. So here are the chords that you're going to use, okay? So you're going to use G, and I would definitely recommend using this G. Okay, you're also going to use E minor, but you're going to do E minor while keeping your pinky and ring finger on the 3rd frets the entire time, okay? So you're just going to put your 2 fingers up there, okay? So you're just going to play it like you would E minor, but leave your pinky and ring finger on the 3rd frets, okay? So that's how that sounds. You're also going to do Cadd9. This is close to the regular Cadd9, but you're just going to put... because you're gonna leave your ring finger and pinky finger on there, but you're gonna put your middle finger on the 3rd fret on the A string and your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the D string. Okay, and then you're also gonna do D, I think, I don't know. Anyway, you're gonna put your middle finger is going to go on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your pointer finger is going to go on the 2nd fret on the big E string. Okay, so that's we'll call that D. I think it's like D over F sharp or something. We're gonna call it D. Okay, so the way the song starts, and this is how the verses are always the same. Okay, the chorus is a little bit different, so stick with me. So the way it starts is G, D, E minor, D, G, D, E minor, D, G. So you just, that second time that you're doing D, you just do it real quick as you're going back to G. Okay? So if we want to do it with pick so you can hear it a little bit better, it's... Okay, just like that. Now, that's the intro. You're going to do that twice with no lyrics, okay? So, now the strumming pattern, and then again, this is a strumming pattern for the entire song. The chord progression changes in the chorus, but other than that, like this is the strumming pattern for the entire song. So it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So you're just doing down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, you're just doing that down, down, up. Okay, and then you kind of start over when you switch chords. So you're going to play G, D, E minor, D, G twice with no lyrics. Okay, that's the intro. Then when you get to the verse, you're going to do G, I know I love you. Okay, so you do G before I, and then you're going to do I know I love you. So love is where you're going to do D. Love you, but I won't. And I won't is E minor. Won't. D, G. And when you get to that G, then you're going to do tell. Tell you a thing. Thing is D. Thing in case you don't. And don't is E minor. Don't. D, G. Okay, so now on this G, you're going to do I know. I know I miss, so I miss you is D, miss you, but it's O. So on O, you're gonna do E minor, O. K, so the K, you do D, K. I don't, and then you do G again. I don't get depressed. Depressed is D. Depressed when I am lone. So lone is E minor. Lone, and here you don't go into the G because you're going to switch to the C add 9 in the beginning of the chorus. Lone, lay, but I just need. So the chorus, remember, same strumming pattern, but the chorus is going to be C add 9, G, D, and then you're going to do E minor, and then you're just going to start that over. So you're going to do, but I just need, so need is C add 9, need something, but I just need something to calm my nerves. So you're just doing down, down, up, down, up. Preferably a cigarette, so preferably, and at the end of the preferably, bly is where you're going to do, we're going to do D. Preferably a cigarette, or something just as absurd. Absurd is where you do E minor. Absurd. Or maybe so I is C add 9. I want my anxiety to stay. To stay. Stay is G. Stay. Cause in the end is D. And in the end, it's all I have to ease the pain. Pain is E minor. Pain of the distance. So distance is D. Distance that took you away. Away is G. Now, then you're just going to play the intro again. So you're going to play the verse chord progression, but with no lyrics. Okay, so play that through twice, and then you go to the next verse. So the way that the chorus would sound if we were just playing it would be C add 9 on need, but I just need something to calm my nerves. Preferably a cigarette or something just as absurd. Or maybe I want my anxiety to stay. Cause in the end it's all I had to ease the pain of the distance that took you away. Okay, and then you're gonna go into that next part. So that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, so much for your support. I really do love it and appreciate it. It's awesome. I love these song requests, so keep them coming. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. See you next time.